Hello, I'm going to show you how to make witch hazel today. So to make witch hazel, you just need 4 things. You need distilled water, the witch hazel bark. It's always better to get organic if you can. You need pure grain alcohol. This is 190 proof, but you can use vodka if you want. And then you just need a pot with a lid. So I have my witch hazel bark, which is 4 ounces, and I put it in 1/2 gallon of distilled water, and I've brought it now to a boil. So what I'm going to do now is turn down the heat to low. I'm going to bring it to a simmer. And I want to capture all of these good nutrients that are in the herb, and I'm going to put the lid on. And if you can tell, I changed the pot from the beginning of the video, because I first poured it into the silver pot and it was not big enough to hold everything. So I really recommend having a stock pot for this, so there's enough to hold everything. So we're gonna simmer it for 20 minutes, and I'm gonna put the timer on now. And then we're gonna turn it off, and we're gonna just cool it with the lid on. And then I'll show you the next step. All right, so I have finished boiling the witch hazel, and it now is a lovely brown color. It looks like a tea, because that is what it is. And now I'm just going to strain it by pouring it into this cheesecloth that is inside a colander. I want to get all of it out. Some more liquid in there. So now I take the cheesecloth, I can just squeeze it. All right. So now you can be finished if you want, and you can put it in your fridge and use it in a week. But there is a lot of tea here, and that's really unlikely to be used up within a week. So I'm going to measure it out, and then I'm going to add my preservative, which is the alcohol. So first I need to know how much tea I got. So that's 4 cups. Looks like I'm going to need another measuring cup. We'll do this one. It's my 8-cup measure. We have almost exactly 8 cups. So if you have vodka, you just take half of this amount, which would be 4 cups, and add that to the witch hazel, and you're done. Because I have the 190 proof, I need to first dilute it. So I'm going to put in only 1/4 of what I have. So I'm just going to do 2. You can quickly do your math. There's a lot of math in making herbal tinctures and things. So I've got 2 cups of alcohol. And then again, to dilute it, I'm going to add again the distilled water, not tap water. Tap water has contaminants in it that will make your tinctures and things go bad faster. All right, now I just need to mix them together and we'll be done. And it will last for a few years. And you can use witch hazel. It's an astringent, so it will close up your pores and things, so it's a really good toner for your skin. You can use it, I'm going to use it in my products for varicose veins and then one for bug bites because it does help to calm the skin down. Thanks for watching.